Hi everybody, this is Jen and I'm here with an ASC design team project. Unfortunately, I didn't get to film this one because we were working on it while I was on vacation, so I didn't have my camera there. And plus there was a lot of chat and stuff like that. This is a paper pad from ASC Supplies. ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com. And they are an excellent company, so be sure you go over and check them out. And this paper pad is an old one. I'm not sure if it's still available or not at ASC Supplies, but it is the Graphic 45 Seize the Day collection. And I've had it in my stash, and I thought, what a perfect opportunity to use it. I use my typical outside album cover design, which is a 3x6x8, and instead of using a hinge system, I used eyelets and then some elastic banding, colorful elastic banding from the dollar store, the Dollar General, and then just some beads that I had in my stash, and then some bling. These are acrylic starfish, and I had an acrylic turtle. I have to find him. He's missing. He was right here. We colored up, and my two friends that went with me have similar books. We started crafting a little bit beforehand. We had some crafting dates, and then we just took the books with us, and we started. We had a little printer, and everything was very well planned out. But yeah, this is how it started. So I used one of the main images. It looks like I got a mark or something on it, probably from a pencil. We'll have to see if it erases. The back has, I think the back I cut a little bit too short, so I put one of the border strips on there. Best part about paper is you can always fix your mistakes. And then one of the little stamps on the inside. These, you can get these little traveler notebook size things from anywhere. And then I decorated the front cover and back cover of those. I had done some AI pictures, and this is us. And we, my friend, she cut this gate out for me, and we made a little, you know, peekaboo spot. And that's just one of the cutouts and a specialty piece of paper. And then she had bought the new, it's a paper binding machine from, I think, the same people that have the cinch, and she made these books for us, so they fit in there. So I went ahead and put one of these books in there, and then there's the inside cover. And then this llama was just the cutest thing I could. It's just so cute. It has nothing to do with the vacation, but you know, whatever's. And then this little book, you know, outside's decorated. I fussy cut the turtle because I love the turtle. And then the inside, I just did some washi tape here and there. And there is that book. And then the last book I already started, we started scrapping. So this is a little bit more involved. But this is the, you can see I already have the sticker, and then the border strip, one of the stamped images. And then I kind of started going by like in order, and then I left spots. So I have a postcard, and then just some miscellaneous stuff. This is from the Travel Day journal collection from Stamperia. This is us leaving. And then some journaling. I used washi tape, just miscellaneous paper. Hilton had, I did, again, we had like a little printer with us, so these are the ones that I actually printed off there, and I have more obviously to print off. We have some stickers, and then this was a sticker that we bought at one of the shops, and it's a little shark with floaties on, and about half of the mornings we did water aerobics. Well, I did water aerobics. They, my friend Karen did the water aerobics the entire time, but I sat laid out on those days. We had a bingo, funny story, like we thought we were going to get a big prize. Karen won the bingo, ended up being a popsicle, so not even a good popsicle, so I put little popsicle stickers. There were a couple cats just kind of wandering around the resort, and then somehow I found this bingo ticket in some ephemera packs that we had brought. A dragonberry colada drink that I drank while we were bingoing. This one says meet me at the beach, and I have pictures to go here. This I think would be a morning picture. More pictures that I have to stick in there so that we have a documented, this is what we did. So Hilton Head Island with the turtles, and this is, I kind of put, this is where I plan on putting the beach at night picture, and I'll finish this up and I'll give you another video of it once it's finished. Some cute paper, just all from the stash. We went to see a lighthouse, and I have that sticker reserved for that occasion. Aquafit we talked about again. This one was called Skull Creek, and I took some of the ephemera that I got. This is from the actual, I think, a bag, or it could have been a sticker that I bought. And the restaurant that we went to was absolutely amazing. And there was a crocodile out back. His name was Charlie, so I labeled it Charlie. There we are. And then I have a picture of crabs to put here. Just some funny pictures. And then these cranes would let you get so close to them. They were awesome. And there's some more drinks we made in our room. I have this little crab eyelet, which is, no, not an eyelet, Brad, which is so cute. Ursula, she bought some of her stuff with her. And there's one of my pictures, which you guys seen if you're in the Facebook group. If you're not in the Facebook group, please join the Facebook group. And you can look me up and you can see my vacation pictures. And that is all I have done in this so far. I do have a, this is a donut, but it looks like a floaty. I have that in there because we did get some desserts, and yeah, I plan on finishing this up. And then one of the other booklets that I have in there, I'm going to do, my daughter was watching my dog, so I plan on doing a side-by-side. This was my vacation, and then this is what my dogs and daughter did while I was on vacation. So all right, that's what I wanted to show you guys. It was one of my projects, and head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com, and we shall see you next time. Don't forget to join the Facebook group if you want to see inside scoops. Bye-bye.